Anatomy of the blood vessel is important to understand how our blood circulates throughout the body. Blood vessel. These are the important parts of circulatory system. It carries the oxygen-rich blood and nutrition towards the body and remove the carbon dioxide from the tissue and the deoxygenated blood carried from the tissue and waste product from the tissue to the heart. The waste products are filtered by lymphatic system. That is another topic. Now we are entering into the types of blood vessel. They are artery, arteriole, capillary, venule, and vein. These are the types of blood vessel. First, artery. Artery is a large, thick-walled blood vessel. It has strong and elastic wall. Why it has strong and elastic wall? To withstand the high pressure. Where it come from? Why the high pressure? Aorta has high blood pressure. Why? Because it is directly connected with the left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, the blood passes from left ventricle to aorta, right? So the pressure is at the peak in aorta. To withstand the high pressure, the aortic wall is strong and elastic. The arteries carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to the body. Oxygenated blood means oxygen rich blood, except pulmonary artery, which carries the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lung. So, the pulmonary artery is the exception for that criteria, which means the arteries carries the oxygenated blood. Next, arteriole, a smaller branch of an artery that leads to capillaries. Arteriole regulate the blood flow by contracting or dilating the blood vessel. That's why it influences the blood pressure. Next, capillary, the smallest and thinnest blood vessel that connect arterioles to the venule. Arterioles to the venule. The capillary form the network where the exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste occur between the blood and the tissue. So, the oxygen exchange and nutrients exchange, base products exchange, these are take place in the capillary. For that, the capillary is small and thinnest blood vessel. Next, venule. It is a small blood vessel that collects deoxygenated blood from capillaries and the channels into the large vein. So it connects the capillary to the veins. And the last one is vein, a blood vessel that carries deoxygenated blood back to the heart, except pulmonary vein, like pulmonary artery that is different from arteries, right? Likewise, the pulmonary vein is different from veins. The pulmonary vein, which carries the oxygen rich blood from the lung to the heart, it carries the oxygenated blood from the lung to the heart. The vein has thinner wall than artery. Why? The arteries receive high blood pressure. Likewise, the vein receive low blood pressure. That's why the blood vessel is thinner than artery. The vein contains valves to prevent the backflow of blood as the pressure in the vein is low. So, the blood pressure is low in the vein. So, the blood starts backflow at any time. So, we have to prevent that, right? That's why the vein has valves. It prevents the backflow of the blood and it helps to move the blood forward. So that's all. These are the types of blood vessel, that is artery, arteriole, capillary, venule, and vein. Arteries, which carries the oxygenated blood from the heart, it passes via arteriole to the capillary and it supplies the oxygen and nutrition to the tissue and it takes the waste product and deoxygenated blood from the tissue to the heart. That's all. Thanks for watching.